Number 1 is absolutely shocking. Stay till end for this worst scene. You'll regret missing this ending.
Let's keep the door closed. Whoa! Whoa!
Many viewers miss number 1.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay.